Work-life balance is totally overrated. Let me explain. Would you be thrilled if your tombstone said, "She finally mastered work-life balance"? I'm guessing not so much. It just sounds so depressing. It implies that your options are limited, but you're just gonna try and figure out a way to make it suck less. So depressing. We're so much less likely to put effort into doing something if the result is just, this is gonna suck less. Work-life balance is focused on scheduling, boundaries, and efficiency. But the thing is, when we want work-life balance, what we're really saying is that we want more. We want to stop feeling tired and rushed and like we're spread too thin. What we want is to feel alive again. The solution is to aim for alignment. Now let me get practical with that. Chloe is all about alignment. Alignment is about making the pieces of your life fit together. It takes things just a step deeper. So take the work-life balance stuff, but then also add your values, your goals, and the life you want to create long-term. How do you want to show up in the different roles in your life? And what kind of a life are you creating? What do you want your life to look like 5 or 10 years down the line? And even if you don't know the exact details, you're going to know enough to get you started. I totally understand that if you've been getting stuck in the weeds of how to just cope, this is going to feel totally irrelevant. But the truth is, it's actually going to help you figure out solutions that you weren't seeing before. #science. When you can think about the big picture and get right in the weeds at the same time, the magic is that it's going to be more compelling to figure out what's going on right now so that you can move forward. It might seem like a lot, but once you start putting the components of the alignment framework together, change becomes inevitable. You're going to be able to put your brain to work to figure out what to prioritize in the moment. You're going to get a better understanding of your motivations, and it's going to get easier to say no to the right things without feeling guilty. And the results are going to be so much better than just having "she mastered work-life balance" on your tombstone. You're just going to have more fun. You're going to be able to enjoy what's already good in your life, and you're going to be looking forward to what's next.